While creating weldments in Onshape, you may want to add non-frame generated parts to your cut lists. When you create a cut list in Onshape, you can automatically capture all the frame members in one go, and the cut list is automatically generated for these items. To include items that weren't created with the frame tool, you can click the Add Column Override button at the bottom of the dialog. You'll need to provide a column header that already exists in the cut list to add the additional parts. In this case, the description is in our cut list. Then, simply select the parts you want to include for this cut list item. In this case, all the end caps. You'll also need to provide the value for the cut list item for this specific column. This functionality is traditionally used to add additional columns to the cut list. But in this case, we can use this to add additional parts as well. This does two things. First, it includes all the parts into a single composite part, which we can then insert into an assembly or create a drawing from. Secondly, this cut list can then be included in the drawing of the composite part. It contains all the cut list items and allows us to detail all the aspects of our design, whether that's adding balloons to each item, dimensions, or weld symbols. To learn more about creating weldments in Onshape, check out the Learning Center for more step-by-step instructions.